So I'm here now with Jacob. I don't know what it is with this show, but everyone I've been bumping into seems to be so much taller than me. It's starting to give me a bit of a paranoia effect or something. But Jacob's with Airbag Man. So
Yep.
Jacob, how are you going at the show? Are you enjoying this?
It has been pretty busy, so it's good to be back in. Good to see everyone coming down and enjoying the show, and all the vans and campers that are around here. It's crazy. It's good.
Excellent. So if they come onto your stand, what are they going to learn about? What are you going to tell them about?
So we do air suspension for a wide range of different applications, whether it's your four-wheel drives, truck, bus, camper trailers, caravans, all sorts of things. Special effects in movies.
Oh, wow,
But the
okay.
main thing here is just to deal with the motorhomes and the vans and the tow rigs, really. So yeah, air suspension to level your vehicle when you're towing or carrying load. That's the main benefit here of the adjustable air suspension.
So these are the ones that go into the coil, are they?
Yep, inside the coil spring. These ones here are your leaf spring air helpers, and then we've got full air suspension, so removing the coil spring and putting the airbags in
So
place.
you can
which
go
are
from,
over here.
say, a fairly simple system in a coil there,
Yep,
but if
you
you
got
don't happen to have coil, you've got leaf spring, well,
Yep.
you've got an answer for that, a nice heavy-duty version of it here.
Exactly.
And if you
Yep.
want to go the full Monty and get a major unit fitted to your caravan,
Yep.
I say caravan,
So
I
we've
guess you can do caravan or car
Yeah.
with this sort of system, couldn't you?
Exactly.
Yep.
Yeah, that's it.
So tell us
we've
about
got
some of
a
the
full
exciting things we've got here.
tailor-made onboard air supply system, so it's really to suit the budget and requirements of the customer. So you can have wireless controller, little rocker switches, paddle switches. You can have
I like
a gauge
this.
to show pressures. Yeah, that's
You've
pretty,
got a home,
pretty handy, that one.
yeah, a little home for it there.
Yeah, so that just pops out there.
Yeah, I do love
It's like
my
a little
gadgets,
holder.
I've got to tell you,
Yeah, that's
seriously.
it. Yeah, these work a treat. So that's one of the most popular ones, the wireless controller, and then the paddle switches is also.
So you're
another
saying a
popular
wireless
one.
controller. So with that wireless controller on,
Yep.
say, my caravan,
Yep.
I can control either side of the van to be able to
Exactly.
level it up just
Yeah,
with that
left and
remote
right,
control.
up and down, just via that little push of a button.
Well, that's pretty darn sexy, isn't
Keep
it?
up, that's it, exactly.
Yeah, love that.
Yeah, cool. So another more advanced system which we use on OE grade applications, we're doing for ambulances with full air suspension, vans straight from factory, all sorts of things, is our IntelliRide auto leveling system. Now this one's got 3 preset heights. You've got your raised height, drive mode and low mode. So raised height is great for better departure angles if you've got an off-road van. The low mode is great for lowering it down onto the bump stops and putting it into your carport at home, and then drive mode is just for your everyday driving, and that also has horizon leveling feature. So if you pull up to an uneven campsite, you can hit that button and it'll automatically level out to the horizon, really, and you can drop your legs
Wow.
and away you go.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So if
pretty good.
I didn't really know what I needed,
Yep.
I can come and see you, and you can advise me on the car and the
Exactly.
caravan side
Yep.
to get this, because balancing them up is really super important.
Yeah,
Everyone
exactly.
keeps talking about leveling them when they're off the grid or whatever,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
getting that whole rig nice and balanced and straight when they're
Yep.
towing
Yep.
is absolutely
That's key.
it's key, it's critical stuff.
Yeah,
So, and you're the man they can talk to about
Yeah,
this
and
stuff.
we've got a team of 25 people, been going
Wow.
for over 25 years. The old
Are
man
these guys
started
know
it,
as much
so-
as you do?
Yeah, bloody oath.
So you're located at Brendale, is
Yeah,
that
just
right?
in Brendale, and we've
Yep.
got a full specialist network around Australia and globally if people are coming in from overseas.
Another
Yeah.
Queensland company. I
That's
love
it.
that.
Yeah.
I'm noticing you've got different size compressors for different purposes
Yeah,
as
exactly.
well.
So this compressor here, this little baby one, is great for your leaf helper and coil helper kits. So it's more than capable of doing the job for inflating and deflating those and supplying air to them. This one here is our German-built AMK compressor. We use that in the OE applications like that IntelliRide auto leveling system.
Right.
And then this heavy-duty one, which you can do dual compressors or just the compressor on its own for tyre inflation, airbag inflation, the full bells and whistles.
So finally, Jacob,
Yep.
I can come to you, I can get advice on this, but do you advise me on where to get it done, or can you guys actually even do this as well?
So we're the designers and manufacturers, so we focus on producing really good quality gear, and then we have our awesome specialist network who can do supply and install. So yeah, we can put you in
Absolutely
touch
incredible.
with them.
So where exactly can they contact you?
So just go to www.airbagman.com.au, send an inquiry through there, and then we can handle the whole process for you.
What a
Easy as.
delightful fellow.
Legend.
Again, Jacob, thank you very much for
Yeah,
your
it's good
time.
to see you
I'm
again.
really pleased to see that you're second generation too. There's a lot of this second generation stuff coming. I just wish build them a little bit shorter. Because quite frankly, my neck's starting to ache from this.
Yeah, that's it.
Good on you. Thanks,
Good to see
Jacob.
ya. Cheers.